Hi, I'm Devon Gall, Program Engineer with True Blue Power. What if I told you an emergency battery power supply existed that had a longer lifespan than nickel cadmium or lead acid batteries? What if I told you it had a battery pack that was replaceable in the field? And what if I told you it had internal short circuit protections that was self-resetting? Well, the TS28 does all of those things. Today we're in the inspection lab, the last stop before the TS28 emergency battery power supply heads out to your aircraft. Weighing only 1.7 pounds, the TS28 is designed to provide backup power to emergency lighting and other critical equipment. The TS28 is a direct replacement for the Radiant CBS 28-1 on the Citation 550, 560, 680, 680A, and 700 aircraft. The TS28 has an energy density of 28 watt-hours and will output a nominal voltage of 24 volts at 1 amp for over an hour. It can accept 26.5 to 32 volts from your DC bus and can consume up to 800 milliamps. If input bus power is lost, the internal battery will take over and provide emergency power to any critical equipment you have connected. The TS28's 4-pin connector is incredibly simple. Pin A is the DC voltage input, Pin B is a shared ground for the input and the output, and Pins C and D are your DC outputs. There are a few built-in protections with this emergency battery power supply: short circuit protection, over temperature protection, over voltage and under voltage protections. It's designed to output up to 3 amps continuously, and if 6 amps is exceeded on the output, the short circuit protection will be activated. The TS28 will recheck for the short circuit condition every 15 to 35 seconds, and once it detects it's been removed, it'll re-enable the output automatically. The TS28 uses a nickel metal hydride chemistry, which is perfect for this application. It's going to give you a longer life over nickel cadmium or lead acid batteries. True Blue Power recommends performing a capacity check every 24 months. If it doesn't meet your capacity requirements, maintenance is a breeze with the removable battery pack. As always, if you have any questions about the TS28 or any other True Blue Power products, give us a call.